Tara Wawabs, get ready with me as I go to school. Welcome to Colegio Opto Chronicles, where I share my journey as an optometry student. Well, technically this videos was last year pa from my archive, but just got the time and courage to edit my videos now. Since sayang naman Wabs kung hindi ko to i-upload, diba? Okay naman. Ito yung first day ko to wear my uniform as an opto student, so right now I'm getting ready na pumasok na, and I think bagay naman sa atin Wabs yung uniform. Yan, suot na natin ang ID natin and started walking to school. Yes Wabs, tara, sasama kita papasok sa campus. Walking distance lang from the condo papunta sa NU. And our first class here is Biology Wabs, which means, yes, tama ka. Bio means life and Logi means study. Yan, sige, wala na mo voice over. And after class, nalang tayo dito sa NU Hall. After that, Wawabs, may klase na kami sa Intro to Opto together with Dean discussing about the curriculum sa buong term. And dito na kami, Wawabs, sa Opto Lab. Yan, nandiyan lahat ng mga Opto apparatus, device, and some projects from higher years. And tapos na class namin, Wawabs, can't wait to go home and spend time with you. See you on the next Colegio Opto Chronicles. Love you!